Hi guys, welcome to Heather's Treasures. I'm going to show you how to polish up a domino. Well, any resin piece. Let's see. See how shiny that is? This one is not polished. Can you see the... No, let's see. Let me see if I can find one that's really bad. See that right there? We're going to polish that off. You could try scratching with your fingernail. I'm going to dab a little of this Flitz polish. This works better if this works better if you are, well, it works fine either way. What is wrong with my mind? What was I going to say? I was going to say, you're going to get this polish into the crevices of this piece, so you don't have to worry about that if your piece is smooth all the way around. But we're just going to turn on, to maybe a 4 on your Dremel. And this is like a big fat cotton ball. And we're just going to lightly touch it across the top. And go over the areas where we want it to be shiny again. Now this doesn't work for deep gouges. You'd have to sand that down to like maybe a 500 grit or even 1,000 grit. Gone. It's all gone. And now you would just take some, like a Q-tip or something, get the residue out of the holes on your domino set, or whatever you've got, cotton ball. And you're good to go. Anyway, that's how I do it. That's how I polish. I do have this rouge. This is a jewelry block. It's the green one. It's the only one I have. This one does more polishing than the red rouge, but I like using that as well. So here's another one. Right there. I can't get it wiped off with my finger. So I don't know if I have enough stuff on here left, but we'll check it. If you do one and you find that it's not coming off, just add a little bit, just a tidge more of the Flitz polish. So that works. So let me get one, let me change my head here. See what it looks like beforehand? It's just a big fat cotton ball kind of. You buy them in a bag. This one is a little more abrasive. It's still soft, but it's just more abrasive. And we're going to add some rouge to it. Just going to touch it lightly till we see green. That's good. Here's one that is got, let's see if I can show it, if it can catch it. Can you see? Nope. Can you see this? This one needs to be polished. I can't wipe it off with my thumb. I don't know if you can see this or not, but I've got resin that is smeared. Resin is smeared this way and this way right here. So let's see what the green one does. Nice and smooth. It's all gone. So either will work. Either the green Lux, Luxie, or whatever you want to call it. It's a rouge. I got it from Rio Grande a long time ago because I make jewelry, as you know. Or if you don't know, I make jewelry. And I use these to polish my wire after I'm done patinaing it. I have a flex shaft upstairs in my craft area. I like that better because it has a foot control. But I have my Dremel down here. And so I just use this for my crafting. And my Flitz polish, I use it on glass. It says metal, plastic, and fiberglass, but I use it on glass. If I have a minor scratch in one of my glass cabochons, I use this wheel first to smooth out those really rough edges, and then I go over it with this. Takes a while, but this cleans it right up. It gets rid of those. So anyway, that's it. It's a real short video today. Just wanted to show you, you can polish if you have some minor flaws. These are just minor flaws now. If you have like gouges or anything like that, like I said, you need to sand it with like a 220 grit all the way up to 1,000. You could go 3,000, 5,000, whatever you want. But I think that maybe 1,000 probably would be okay, because then when you use this Flitz polish, you'll get a nice smooth coverage, a nice smooth surface. But I really love these because they are fastened in there and they are not coming out. So thanks for joining me. I hope you learned something. I hope you found this valuable. If you did, please share it with your friends. I really appreciate everybody liking and commenting and sharing my videos. It really helps my channel. You show me great support when you do that. And we're getting closer to 2,500. I'm excited. We're going to have a giveaway at 2,500. So get your friends to subscribe to my channel and start watching my videos. All right? Till next time. Love you. Bye-bye.